Ira Street Reno, week 207. This week, we're just finishing up the romex in the woodshop. On Wednesday, I'm working on some more mechanicals. This 2-inch hole is for a conduit line to the utility room. In the event that I ever want to add fiber internet to the house, this service port will make it easy for a technician to bury the line in my backyard, run it to this box, and feed it into my house. The best part is they won't have to take down any drywall or drill any holes in my house. Just feed the wire and call it a day. As you can see, this conduit, which I already painted black to match the ceiling, terminates right by my network stack for easy access. On Thursday, I'm wiring up some gangs in the woodshop with 12-2 romex, nothing fancy. On Saturday, I continue wiring some gangs in the garage with 12-2 romex before heading out to my parents' house and brush for a Halloween bonfire. Enjoy these views of the changing colors as Colorado slides into fall. On Sunday, I'm sorry guys, I'm still wiring romex. On Tuesday, I'm finally done wiring romex. These ceiling gangs are connected to a light switch that will control cabinet lighting down the road. For now, I've got everything labeled and I'm done wiring. Thanks for tuning in, and until next week, happy renovating.